Good morning everyone. So in last class we have learned about HCF, that is the highest common factor. Now in this class we are going to learn about LCM. So what is called as LCM? LCM is nothing but least common multiple. So what do you mean by LCM? Least common multiple. So for this finding least common multiple, we are having three methods. In this, first is multiples method. Second one is prime factorization. Already we have learned what is prime factorization. Third one is division method. So how many methods are there? Total 3 methods are there. So first one is multiples method, second one is prime factorization, and third one is division method. So first we will see what is multiples method. How to find the LCM by using this multiples method we will see. Suppose I am taking 4 and 6. I am taking 4 and 6. So for this 4 and 6 I want to find the LCM value. LCM is nothing but least common multiple. In both the tables, what is the least common multiple we have to check. So first you write the multiples of 4. So what are the multiples of 4? 1, 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, and so on. And for 6, what are the multiples of 6 here? 1, 6, 12, 18, and so on. So in this 2, what is the least common multiple? 1 is a least common multiple, as well as will not get 1. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, as well as 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, and so on. So in this 2, what is the least common multiple you are seeing? That is 12. Okay, so this is how you will find the LCM by using multiples method. So we got the LCM value as 12. So one more table we will take. I want to find the LCM of, I am telling this multiples method only. So I am taking here 3 and 9. So I want to find the LCM of 3 and 9. LCM is nothing but least common multiple. That means we have to write the 3 table as well as 9 table. So what is 3 table? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, and so on. As well as you write 9 table also. So 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, and so on. So in this 2 tables, in this 9 table and 3 table, what is the least common multiple you are seeing? First least common multiple is 9. So you got the LCM as here 9. So this is for multiples method. So next is prime factorization method. So how to do prime factorization method we will see. So for both the examples, for what I have taken the before examples, for that only I am doing here prime factorization method. So see this, here I am doing the prime factorization method. So what do you mean by prime factorization? Prime factorization, with the help of prime numbers we will factorize the values, given value. Okay, so what is the first question here? 6 and 4 and 6. So in this method you will get the same answer or not, we will see. Okay, so first we have to write the multiples of, so we have to write the prime multiples of 4. So 4 will go in which table? In 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So we can write this 4 as 2 into 2 into 1. Is it right? Next 6, how you can write? 6 will go in 2 table. 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So how much you got here? 2 into 3 into 1. So how to find the LCM? You see, before finding the LCM, first we have to find the HCF value. What we have to do? Before finding the LCM value, first we have to find the HCF. HCF is nothing but taking the common value. This is the common and this value also common. So these two common values write first. Okay, I wrote these two first, and after that which are not common you have to write. So this 2 is not common, I am writing here. 3 is also not a common value, so I am writing here. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are is 12. So you got the HCF LCM value as 2 and 3. That is LCM you got it as 12. Okay, like this you can do for three numbers, 3 different numbers, 4 different numbers, and so on. So once again we will see this one now. You will get the same answer or not, you will check. So what is that number? 3 and 9. By using prime factorization method I am using 3, 9. So 3 is a prime number, so I can write 3 into 1. And 9 can be written in the form of 3 into 3 into 1. 3 3s are 9, 9 1s are 9. So first what we have to do, we have to take the HCF. HCF is nothing but taking out the common values in both the numbers. So this is a common value and this is also common value. So 3 into 1 as it is I wrote. Okay, now what I have to find? LCM I have to find. So what is the HCF value you write here? And what is the remaining number? 3. So into 3. Now you multiply. 3 3s are 9. So LCM you got it as 9. So this is which method? This is prime factorization method. Okay. Next is division method. How to do division method we will see. In prime factorization, we will take prime factors individually. We will do this process individually. But in division method, at a time we will take. So what I am finding, I want to find the LCM of 4 and 6 here. So what is the LCM method? Like this. Division method is like this. Here in prime factorization, we will do it separately. But in division method, both at a time, both the values at a time we will take. So, in this 4 and 6, what is a common multiple? In which table it will go? It will go in 2 tables, so we have to take 2. In division method, no need of using only prime numbers. You can use the composite numbers also. But it should be a common multiple. Okay? So, 4 and 6 will go in 2 tables. So, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Okay, now in 2 and 3 don't have any common multiple. 2 will not go in 3 table, 3 will not go in 2 table. Okay, so what we have to do? 2 1s are 2, this 3 as it is you write, with the 3 you do again. Okay, so what is the answer? Now multiply all this. 2 into 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are is 12. So this is division method. Okay, so this is called as this. Already we have seen what is multiple method. Next is prime factorization method and division method. One more example we will take and do it in all the three methods. So now I am taking 3 different type of numbers. So what LCM you will get and how to do we will see. Here we have taken only 2 numbers, 2 different numbers. Now I am taking 3 different numbers. So I am taking it as 21, 35 and 42. So this multiple method is not important for you. Only we will use prime factorization and division method. So we will continue with prime factorization and division method. So first I am using prime factorization. So how to do prime factorization? Individually you write the numbers first. Now do prime factorization for 21. First I am taking for 21. 21 will go in which table? 21 will go in 3 table. We have to use the divisibility rules. What is divisibility rule of 3? Sum of 2 numbers should be divisible by 3. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. 3 is divisible by 3 tables. So I am taking 3 table here. 3 7s are 21. 7 is a prime number. 7 1s are 7. Okay. Now 35. 35 will go in which table? We can take in 5 table because last digit is 5. Also we can take in 7 table. So 7 5s are 35. 5 1s are 5. Now 42 will go in which table we will see. So here last digit is an even number, so it will go in 2 table. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Next 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. So we got all the prime factorizations. Now you write 21 can be written in the form of 3 into 7. Now into 1. 35 can be written in the form of 7 into 5 into 1. 42 can be written in the form of 2 into 3 into 7 into 1. So these are the prime factorizations. Now what we have to do, we have to take first HCF. So what do you mean by HCF? In all the numbers, what is a common term we have to take? Okay, so what is common here? 7 is common and 1 is common. So this 7 and 1 I am writing here, 7 into 1. Now what I am finding, LCM I am finding. So for finding the LCM, first you write the HCF value as it is. Okay. Now what are the remaining numbers? 5 is alone. We are not seeing anywhere. So into 5. Next 2 is also alone. Now in this case 3 is there. In this case also 3 is there. So from these 2 3's we will take only 1 3. So from this 2 3's we are taking only 1 3. So what is the LCM here? 7 5's are 35, 35 2's are 70, 70 3's are 73's are is 210. So you got the LCM as 210. Okay. So now this is called as prime factorization. Now we are going to division method. So how to do the division method we will see. How you will do the division method? We will not take individually, separately we will not take. At a time we will take all the numbers, that is 21, 35 and 42. Okay. So take now. What is a common multiple which will go in these 3 numbers, in which table you can see. So that we have to think, that is 21, 35 and 42 will go in 7 table. So 7 3's are 21, 7 5's are 35, 7 6's are 42. Okay. Now which 2 numbers you can take? 3 will go in 3 table as well as 6 will go in 3 table. So we can take 3 multiple now. 3 1's are 3, 5 will not go in 3 table. So we will write this 5 as it is. Now 3 2's are 6. Okay. Now any common multiple you can take here? No. 5 will not go in 2 table, 2 will not go in 5 table. Just take individually now. 1 write as it is, 5 1's are 5. 2 will not go into 5 table, so write this 2 as it is. Now with 2 table, okay, now you multiply all the numbers. So LCM is equals to 7 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 1. So how much it will be? 7 5's are 35, 35 2's are 70, 73's are is 210. So this is how you will do the LCM. So we are having 3 methods. One is multiple method. That multiple method we will not use here. So next is prime factorization method and second one is division method. So these 2 methods we will use for our next exercise. Okay. So next is, we will start our exercise now. So what is the first one? Find the LCM of the following numbers by prime factorization method. So by using prime factorization method, we have to find the LCM in first bit. So in first bit, first sub bit is how much? 12 and 15. So what is that? 12 and 15. So by using which method we have to do? By using prime factorization method we have to find the LCM. So first we have to find the prime factors of 12 and 15. Okay. So I am doing here. Here it will go in 3 table. 3 4's are 12. 4 will go in 2 table. 2 2's are 4. 2 1's are 2. In the same way for 15. 15 will go in 3 table, 3 5's are 15. 5 is a prime number, so it will be 5 1's are 5. Okay, now you write these multiples here. 3 into 2 into 2 into 1, and these values 3 into 5 into 1. Okay, now what we have to find first? First we have to find the HCF. HCF means common value which you are seeing in these both numbers. So what are the common values? 3 and 1. So 3 into 1 I am writing here. And now we are finding the LCM. So this 3 into 1 we have to write as it is. And what are the remaining numbers? 5 is remaining, 2 is remaining, and 2 is remaining. So now you multiply this. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 3s are. That will be 60. So you got the LCM value as 60. Okay. So what is the LCM? 60. Next, second bit. What is second one? 15 and 25. So for this again we have to take the prime factorization. So what are the prime factors of 15? 15 will go in 3 tables. 3 5s are 15 into 1. So in the same way 25. 25 will go in 5 table. 5 is a prime number. So 5 into 5 into 1. The 5 5s are 25. 25 1s are 25. So how I did? 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. In the same way 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 is a prime number. 5 1s are 5. Okay. Now first what we have to find? We have to find the HCF value. What do you mean by HCF? Taking the common number in both the terms. That is 5 into 1. And LCM means this HCF value we have to write as it is. And remaining numbers we have to include here. That is 5 into 3. Now you multiply. I wrote here. Okay. Now 5 5s are 25. 25 3s are is 75. Okay. So we got the LCM value as 75. Next is third one. So what is third one now? Third question is 14 and 21. So first 14 and 21 you write individually. 14 will go in 2 table. So 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7. 21. 21 will go in also 7 table. 7 3s are 21, 3 1s are 3. So 14 can be written as 2 into 7 into 1. And 21 can be written as 7 into 3 into 1. So first we have to find the HCF value. So what is HCF? First taking the common factor in both these terms. Okay, so what is the common value? 7, 1. So this 7 and 1 I am writing here. And now I am finding the LCM. So for finding the LCM, this 7 into 1 I have to write as it is. And what are the remaining numbers you have to multiply here. So 3 is also my remaining. And 2 is also remaining. Now you find out here LCM is equals to 7 3s are 21. 21 into 2 will be 42. So you got it as LCM as 42. Okay. So next one, that is a fourth one, you try it as homework. Next 2 bits I will tell here itself. So 18 and 27. This 18 and 27 you try it as homework. So 18 will also go in 3 tables, 27 will also go in 3 tables. So you try this one as homework. Okay, so with this our class is completed. Again in next class we will continue other problems. Thank you.